programming the wireless controller to open and close the valve.
We have disconnected all the upper points of this panel, pulled out this gauge, unhooked the terminals off of, what is that? That's a hour meter there. And we've unhooked the fuel tank and the fuel line, I should say, which is sitting over here. Fuel tank, we've unstrapped it and got it hanging back. And now we're going to test Chicago fitting. Will come off now, and we will put in place this here valve assembly, which is actually going to